Today I made this big pot of stew using old layer chicken. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Rosie Rose here. Yes, it's Christmas, it's a season of love, a season of thanksgiving and appreciation to God for a good for a life. Today, I'll be showing you how I made this big pot of stew using old layer. Yes, this chicken is old layer chicken. Some people call it stewing hen. So basically, it is not usually big, it is very skinny. And this part is the only part I know how to do when it comes to chicken. I don't know how to unalive. This is the only part I know how to do, and trust me, I always enjoy doing it. I don't get tired. I always know where to cut all the body parts and how to cut them into the desired size I want. Here I am done cutting. I have washed already. Also, I'll be using hard chicken also. I'll be adding it to the stewing hen because I want the chicken to be many, and I'll be adding my preferred seasoning, which is onion, my green spice. If you go down my page, you will see how I made this green spice, ginger, garlic, seasoning cube, pepper, black pepper, and salt. So that is everything I added. I'm just going to mix everything together and allow that to cook on its own juice. Yes, our chicken is looking good. I'm just going to stir that together, and before adding water, then cover to cook properly. Yes, I will add a lot of water to this chicken because this is hard chicken. It takes a lot of time to cook. After adding the water, I'll cover that and allow that to cook. After a few minutes, our chicken is ready, all looking good, with soft and so delicious. Just going to stir that together, then start scooping everything out. Yeah, our chicken is looking good. I'm done scooping everything. So my friends, if you like what you are watching and you like to support your girl, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, and drop me a nice comment. It helps this channel to grow, because on this channel I share with you all easy, simple, budget friendly recipe I make for my family in Canada. I don't break the bank while cooking. I just do what I can, and I decide to create this channel to share with you all how you can enjoy your food and still feel that taste back home. Easy food you can get here in Canada and don't feel overwhelmed. How you can create simple budget friendly recipe is what I create here on this channel. So do well to subscribe. Thank you all, and God bless you. There I am done frying my chicken. As you can see, I fried my onion and curry powder just to build more flavor. Add the oil to my already cooked parboiled tomatoes, some seasoning cube, and stir that and cover for a few minutes to cook. We are not cooking this stew for too long because the tomatoes was already parboiled. So there, as you can see, the oil is flowing on top. I'll go in with the chicken broth. Yeah, it is flavor building. We are not adding too many rishi, just simple basic seasoning and your ginger garlic. That's all. That is it. We are not adding too many sachets, MSG, and the rest of it. I hope you are enjoying everything. Do well to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and help my channel to grow. Thank you all as you do so. So here I'm introducing the chicken into my stew. This stew tasted so good. We already know how old layer chicken tastes like. It's really tasty, just that the flesh is small. It doesn't have a lot of flesh, but anyways, it's still okay. At this moment, my house already smelling like Christmas. This is Christmas stew. So if you do well to like and share, please go check out my other videos. Comment, like and share. Here our stew is ready. You're just going to scoop that and freeze them. Thank you all for watching and see you in my next one.